My mom was living in a senior citizen community and they were doing some construction outside, and she wasn't quite sure where to go for the bus and then fell over a dangerous area. I talked to an attorney in our hometown and he referred me to Walton Law. You feel like you have a friend on your side, of course, but you also feel like you have this defender in your pocket that's going to really work hard and fight for you. My favorite thing was just really that care factor, that he really cared and wanted to help us genuinely. He really fought hard for us and we got a great result. I would recommend Walton Law to anyone, no matter what it is, even if it's just to support you.
I was on a motorcycle traveling on a freeway and I had somebody cut me off really bad. I tumbled down the freeway, I thought I was gonna die. I talked to Chris and I really thought that this guy was willing to fight for me. We were told on many occasions that we shouldn't go to court with this. It ended up being extremely difficult to try. There was many times I gave up on the whole thing. And Chris actually talked me out of it. He said, I believe in this. And Chris actually was fighting for me through the whole thing. I felt like a family. I never had to wait to get a call back. They're always very attentive. If you need somebody who needs to fight for you and believe in your cause, come to Walton Law.
Unfortunately, I was driving on the freeway and I got hit by 3 cars and a semi. I was referred to Chris by a friend of mine. His staff, they're so thoughtful and they give you information when you need it. Having Chris to bounce things off of and, someone that cares, it just really makes you feel that, things will get better.
I have a brother who's 6 years older than me, and he's a paranoid schizophrenic. So we had to put him into a nursing care facility. The last nursing care facility that he was at, they didn't do what they were supposed to do. I found out about Chris Walton, and immediately I could sense that this was somebody who really cared. I would not have been able to get through the process without him. He was going to fight for me and for my brother to keep this from happening to anyone else. For anyone out there who's going through something similar to what I went through, there's one simple answer. Call Walton Law.